We're back. Whole new car, guys. Flash 2.0. Make sure you do 4 things: like, subscribe, share, and leave that comment down below. Hey, what's up, guys? So right back with you. Go ahead and do the pedal commander. Yeah, you guys will check it out soon. Make sure you do 3 things: subscribe, like, share. 4, leave a comment down below. If you guys have any questions, let me know, man. I'm here. So first thing first, guys, in order to get the gas pedal out, there's a screw underneath this, so we're gonna have to take this off. Then once you take this off, only thing you gotta do is just pull up and back, which will take it out of the little socket thing it's in. There we go. As it happens when you're dealing with a fresh car, guys. This car is freaking literally brand new. 2020 sports tour. Only 900 miles on it. As fresh as can be. Here we go. Cut that out. Oh, there's 2 screws this time. I believe last one was just 1. So usually with the 370s that I know of, since I took the whole car apart and been dealing with this, it's my second 370Z, so I know. So usually all the bolt sizes are the same around the car. So 10 millimeter for this, same as if you would take the front bumper or rear bumper off. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. This bad boy's loosened up. Give Diego his toolbox thing back. There we go. Got this thing out, and voila! That's how you do it, guys. That part. Right here. Yep. Thank you. So now what we're gonna do? See this metal piece? We're gonna take this out of the socket. I usually use a flathead when it comes to taking stuff out like this, so we're gonna go ahead and use this flathead. Get some pressure. There it goes. It's out. So we got that piece out. So what we do with this metal piece, where is it? So this is the pedal commander, guys. All we're gonna do is connect the female piece that was originally there, connect it with that, and put the male piece that was originally in here from the car itself. And we're gonna put this piece in here, just like that. And slide it back, make sure it's in there. We're gonna just screw these bad boys back in, 10 millimeters. There you go. Oh, there you go. I got hella big. I'm unable to fit down here like I used to. Fuck. Yeah. Okay. Make sure this snugged and tight. Guys don't want to be driving, this should just come off. It don't be winky. What's in there? That one is in there. We're gonna cover it back up. Voila. There we go, guys. And that's how you install a pedal commander. Make sure you guys do 4 things. First, number 1, subscribe. Number 2, like it. Number 3, share it. Number 4, drop those comments down below, man. Everyone have a blessed day. Stay safe, drive safe, love your close ones, and enjoy, man. Love.